Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to use column blocks in a WordPress blog post. As you can see, I am into my WordPress website admin dashboard, and here in the left side toolbar we are getting an option of post, and as I move my cursor on the post, then automatically a sub menu appears in front of me having option of all post and add post. If you want to create a new post, you can click on add post, else you can click on all post to edit the existing blog post. Here I am going to take reference of the existing blog post. As you can see, lots of blog posts are getting displayed over here, right? And as soon as I move my cursor on the blog post title, then edit option is get displayed, right? And I will click on this edit option, edit button, and here I am going to add a column block, right? So I will move my cursor over here at the end of this block, and automatically a blue line appears in front of me with a plus icon on it, the black plus icon. I will click on add block, and here I will simply search for column, and I will select the column, and here it is asking me about the layout of this column block, right? And here you can either select one column or two column, or like a column with having different size, right? So I'm going to select this two column block, right? And I have selected this, and as you can see, the block has been splitted into two columns, and right now I can add any block in this. So I will click on plus icon getting displayed over here in the first column of this block, right? As I click on this plus icon, then it asks me what kind of thing or element you want to place in this column block, right? So I'm going to add image over here. So I have selected image, and from media library I will select any of the image. For example, I'm going to select this image, select, and now coming to the second column, I will simply move my cursor and click on this second column in this same block, and here is the plus icon of add block, right? And I will click on plus icon, and here I will search for heading, and I can simply add the heading. And let me type a heading first. So I have typed the heading over here, right? After the heading, I have clicked on enter, right? As you can see, again type to choose a block, right? Now I can simply add the paragraph, or like whatever the button I want in this particular column, I can simply add that particular element. So this is how you can use column blocks in a WordPress blog post. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about WordPress website, then I have mentioned my blog link in the video description. You can simply visit our blog, read articles related to WordPress. And if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.